Hey guys, so today I will be showing you how to download from YouTube without the need of a third-party program. So all you have to do is open your browser, go to YouTube, find the video that you want. You don't really have to open the video. You can actually just find a random video. For example, I will use this. Just copy the link for the video. You can also copy the link from this tab here, but then I will copy this one instead. Then open a new browser window and type in y2mate.com and enter. Then it should open a website. Okay, there we go. And then just paste your link here. And then you can actually select the quality that you want to download. So if you want to see it in 1080p, you can just select this one. If you want a smaller one, and so on and so forth. So for example, let me use this one. When you click the video, it should just show this converting bar, and then it should come to a stage like this one, and then you click the download button. Now usually when you click download, if there are ads like this, it will open a new browser window. Just close that browser window, for example like this. This is just an ad window. Close that and then click on the link here, and then your download will start. And then that's all you have to do. Very simple, very straightforward. This works for any video on YouTube, just like this one. Click download, and then you should automatically get the option to download this. Then you can start your download. So my internet is slow, but otherwise your download will then pop up in either IDM or any other downloading program. So thanks for watching.